Day zero design. When we talk about day zero operations, we are talking about all the planning and design that you can do prior to deploying any of the systems. These are the tasks that should be performed to make sure that the actual deployment day goes as smoothly as possible. The tasks you want to perform here are designing your network and staging your configuration. Using the Mist Cloud, you have one interface you can log into to configure all of the access points, switches, and routers in your whole network. You can use configuration templates with site-specific variables, so you only have to create a limited number of configurations for large deployments. I have seen deployments with 10,000 sites that only have 6 or so different designs. So what do? They create 6 templates and apply the appropriate templates to the correct sites as they are onboarding. I've also dealt with deployments that have a couple variations between sites. Say, for example, they use different IP address schemes at each site. This is not a problem either, because all we have to do is input a variable or placeholder like this, and then when we create the site, we say, for this variable, put in this value. With this technology, we can easily deploy 1,000 sites in minutes. Once you have your network designed and you have staged your configuration, it is time to prepare for deployment day. Day 1 deployment. Day 1 stands for the first day of use for our new devices. This is the most exciting day in my opinion. You have a shiny new device and you just can't wait to pull it out of the box and use it. Unfortunately, a lot of times, this day can be ruined by the actual deployment and installation. Well, that does not have to be the case with Juniper Networks. With the AI-driven full-stack branch, you can easily deploy your network using QR codes or claim codes. First, if you didn't do it as part of your day zero tasks, create a site in the Mist Cloud and assign the appropriate templates to that site. Then, just look at the back of your device for a QR code and scan it with an app, or grab the claim code and add it to your inventory for that site. If you have a white box switch or router, then just copy a few lines of configuration to get that device speaking to the Mist Cloud. Once your device connects up to the Mist Cloud, it will see what site it is deployed to and grab the appropriate configuration. Another huge benefit of the configuration templates is that if you need to make any changes to your configuration, all you have to do is make the change in the template, and the change will get pushed down to all of the appropriate devices. You no longer need to log into each individual device. With these powerful tools at your disposal, you can have a full site up in minutes. This is what we call true zero-touch provisioning.